Good evening. My name is Miguel Barahona, Industrial Engineering student. This is my travel itinerary to promote your tourist destination. Description and recommendation of the place. For lover of water activities, Hacienda Nápoles has a complex of attractions that are the favorites of the whole family. Waterfalls, aquariums, are with river and aqueducts and cobras that reveals water through days, months. All our visitors are recommended to be 3 days of available when they want to visit the Naples, France, so that they can enjoy the park with peace of means. Means of transporting and accommodation. They can be used as traditional bus, private cars, or if you are near the region of can also reach by motorcycle. The roads are easily accessible by any means of the transport. At the Hacienda Nápoles, you can enjoy a variety of very comfortable hotels for your stay. Typical means and values of the park. We offer a variety of meals for all status. Amongst the most traditional in the region is the paiche rice related with arepa. The packed to enjoy after entertainings with access to museums, including nuts, 30 days to with instant access hotel in medical in substance costs $1,200,000 pesos or $320. Thank you.